Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Honda Civic EX. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as heated bucket seats, power sliding sunroof, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving into the all black interior. You got your paneling and storage on the bottom there next to your speakers and your trunk release. You got the power locks, mirrors, and windows, the chrome accent, speakers up top. It's manually adjustable, heated cloth bucket seats, super comfortable. And then the left side here, you're going to have your traction control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist. Left side of steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control, voice recognition and volume control. And the right side being your gap adjuster and lane keep assist. And for the odometer here, you can access your fuel information, your gauges, audio, phone connectivity, or if you want to change other vehicle settings. It's going to be push to start. And onto the infotainment. So you have your smartphone connection as well as HondaLink and just all your regular vehicle settings. Pretty straightforward. Right here, you hit climate. You can access your climate there, obviously. And you're going to have the heated seats with some extra storage down below and more storage in there with a USB port. Goes right through the other side. You're going to have your parking brake as well as ECON mode and your center console storage with the sliding cup holders and an extra USB in there. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, heated as well, chrome accents across, speakers up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps and your power sliding sunroof. So you got these 16-inch aluminum wheels on Zeta tires with the paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handle. You got tint in the back here. So you can pop the trunk, put the floor mats, and you also got extra storage down below here with some tools. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage, power windows, chrome accent. Up at the back, pretty good legroom, storage behind the passenger side. Back here, got the cup holder and armrests, speakers in the back, lamps up top, and the handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 Honda Civic EX, equipped with the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as adaptive cruise control, power sliding sunroof, lane keep assist, heated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.